Good afternoon. We're going to do some trig identities. Trig identities. And over here, I listed all the Pythagorean identities that we're going to need. Not all of which will we need for this problem, but here's our one problem. I'm not sure how long this is going to take, so we're just going to do it. It says simplify. So we're going to simplify this expression here. And you might be looking at this and you would think, okay, sine squared x plus cosine sine x quantity squared. That equals this, right? It does not equal that. As much as I want it to equal that, it does not. So the question is, what does it equal? And so this is like a problem of the form, a different color, like a plus b quantity squared. Well, that's a FOIL problem. And a FOIL problem will wind up being a squared plus, let's just do it. So it'd be a squared, if I did a plus b, that would be a squared plus ab plus ba or ab plus b squared. So that's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And what I'm going to show you is this is the same thing, except instead of a and b, we have sine and cosine. So if it helps, we should probably set it up as sine x plus cosine x times sine x plus cosine x minus 1. And that little minus 1 is just kind of tagging along there. And it depends on how comfortable you are with this. If you're completely comfortable from going to a FOIL problem into this form, then you could probably bypass this step. But let me go ahead and not skip this. Okay, so we're going to do first, so that'd be sine squared of x plus the outside step would be sine x cosine x, just like I had AB right there. It's the same thing. Then on the inside step, cosine x times sine x would be another sine x cosine x. And then on the last step, I would have plus cosine squared of x. So that wraps that all up, and then don't forget the minus 1 at the end there. This little minus 1. Don't leave that left up there and forget about it. Now let's combine this into this form right here. So this is going to be sine squared x plus 2 sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x minus 1. All right. Now, at first glance, you probably thought, wow, we're making this harder now. It's actually bigger than what it was when we first started. But we can find this one. So I ask you, do you see that in there? Because it's in there a lot of times. So sine squared x plus cosine squared x. If I rewrite this like that, I sort of bring this term over, and then I'll put this after it, minus 1. Again, not to forget that minus 1 there. Well, the sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x, according to this, equals 1. So that means this whole thing here, right here that I'm circling, that thing equals 1. So 1 plus 2 sine x cosine x minus 1. Well, I have 1 over here, minus 1 over here. That makes 0. So this thing simplifies down to 2 sine x cosine x. And that would be your final answer. Have a good one. I'm sure that made you feel awesome. See ya.